All right, welcome back to Ballroom Feed. Today we're doing another merengue video for you, and we're gonna do the cradle or cuddle walk around. Let's get into it.
The man's footwork. So I'm gonna start with this arm slide away from her. So I go back, 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 back. I then roll her into cradle position, staying in place or slightly forward depending on how much she moves. 5, 6, 7, 8. I can use and rotate any amount that I want to. We'll do it in an 8 right now. So I'm gonna walk forward, going to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I lift up my left hand as she goes out. Again, I stay in place. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'll move slightly forward back to her. 5, 6, 7, 8. Back, 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 back. And then in place, in place, in place, in place. Forward, 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 forward. In place, in place, in place, in place. Forward, 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 forward. I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There'll be slightly more footwork, like an extra back and an extra forward if I do the advanced version of the arm slide. But if you're choosing that version, you're already more comfortable with the footwork anyway.
Okay, the footwork. So we're gonna start and finish with our arm slide that we've already done. So that starts always on your right foot. So we're gonna go back for 4 steps, back right, left, right, left. Now he's gonna bring us into the cradle or cuddle position. So we're gonna start moving forward, but rotating over our left shoulder or to the left to go on his left side. So I'm gonna go forward right, curving left, side, and back. That doesn't have to be so exact. All you need to know is that you're gonna take those, 4 steps with your right, left, getting into the cuddle position. Starting again, we go back, right, left, forward and rotating, forward, right, left, side, back. Now we're gonna start rotating back in the clockwise direction, starting with your right foot. 8 steps, we're gonna go back right, left, right, left. From here, we're gonna start rolling out to the right, starting with our right foot, right, left, finishing our arm side, going forward, right, left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If my footwork was slightly different on the rotations, it depends how quickly he were to rotate me in. Again, it's just half of a turn rotating gradually within 4 steps. Arm side, 1, 2, 3, 4, rotate 5, 6, 7, 8, back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, out 1, 2, 3, 4, back to your partner, 6, 7, 8. Make sure you're changing your footwork every single time you take a step, right, left, and following his rotation, the amount of rotation, and everything like that.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Key points. I will do the same technique as the arm slide. I will lower the arms and separate away from her to take 2-hand hold. I will lift just my left hand. An added bonus to lifting the left hand is I'm going to lower my right hand. It's important to have contrast when I want to turn her. If I start kind of lifting both hands, she gets a little bit confused and it's kind of uncomfortable. So you can see from right here, I am separating the hands to make it very clear that I want her to roll into. This is called cradle position. I suggest rotating this around to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I lift my left hand again, keeping my right hand low. I never let go of her hands the entire time during this pattern. And then I lift the hands back up again to get back into frame just as the end of our arm slide. If I wanted to use the advanced option of the ending, I lift up my left hand to let her roll out again. I could then slide the elbows up and through and break and do an extra little back and forward again to add an extra flair to any separation / arm slide pattern we have away from each other.
So it is a little uncomfortable to walk backwards because she's walking backwards well in her cuddle circle. Just try to make the steps really, really small and underneath your hips. So don't make sure you make any weird steps like this. So just step underneath, 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 underneath as you're going backwards into the cuddle or cradle. Also, we want to make sure we're going to this side of him when we go to the cuddle. So I'm gonna find my space here. He's also gonna lead me in this direction. So I'm nice and comfortable here. Sometimes if we end up here, it's a little bit uncomfortable and then we're stepping on each other. So you wanna be on 2 separate tracks so he can comfortably walk forward and I can comfortably walk back. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out the rest of our content up for you. If that isn't enough, be sure to head to our website and check out our Ballroom Feet Pro section there. That's in a link in the description box below. That's tons of more content, more in-depth things, some more choreography, styling, technique, basically everything else you could ever need is there for you. So be sure to check that out and we'll see you very, very soon. Bye.